Court is calling 2026 CR 0022796 State versus Kilpatrick. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Ms. Kilpatrick?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Did you review the application for community supervision and deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir. Irving.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Kilpatrick, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Judge.
Ms. Kilpatrick, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, no.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication. They're recommending community supervision. This is to run concurrent with DC 25-9847 out of Gillespie County. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense and state?
Yes, Your Honor.
It is, Judge, yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I did, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, MRT, and DOEP. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
State, any evidence?
No objections.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to a jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
I do, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
I do, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer
Hold
finding you
on,
guilty.
this is where the hearing takes an unexpected turn. The judge has already accepted the plea and is considering deferred adjudication, which could keep a conviction off the defendant's record if she successfully completes supervision. But before granting that opportunity, Judge Boyd wants one thing: proof. And in court, confidence can be a dangerous thing when a drug test is only minutes away. What do you think? Would you risk making that promise to a judge if you weren't absolutely sure of the
Guilty. The
result?
court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Well,
We do have
the thing, I know you're applying for deferred adjudication. The state is opposed.
Yes, Judge.
If your client is drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
If, you know, the drug testing throughout my arm and then hair follicle.
All right. So if you're drug tested today, you're telling the court it's going to be fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So I'm going to go send her to do a drug test.
Sure.
So I'll send her to go do a drug test today,
Okay, Judge.
and then we'll come in.
Would you defer? I'm just so I understand. What is it that Judge you? My
So she's the
If your drug test is negative, I'll grant your application for deferred.
do I do have prescriptions that I don't have at the moment? Is that anything that needs to be?
Oh, they're gonna send you over to do the UA. All right, thank you. All right.
Notice what's happening here. The judge isn't accusing anyone of lying yet. She's simply creating a moment of accountability. Legally, this is significant because deferred adjudication is based heavily on trust and rehabilitation. The court is essentially asking, can I believe what you're telling me today? And sometimes the answer to that question matters more than the underlying offense itself.
All right, she'll be back at 1:30.
This afternoon, Judge.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Abrams, can you have her? We're back on the record in 2026 CR 002796 State versus Kit Kilpatrick. Can I have parties re-announced, please?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
Right, and you're Kit Kilpatrick?
Yes, ma'am.
So what were the results?
So my program AA is a program of progress, not perfection. It shows that I have.
No. So here's the thing. Let me just stop you right there. Like, I understand when people test positive, right? But part of being in recovery or trying to be in recovery is honesty.
Yes, that's
And I asked you if you're going to be positive and what you presented to the court, that you would be only positive for
prescriptions.
your prescriptions. So
And there it is, the moment everything changes. The positive test isn't necessarily the biggest problem here. The judge just revealed what she's really concerned about: honesty. Courts often show surprising leniency toward people who admit mistakes and take responsibility. But when a judge feels misled, even indirectly, that can instantly damage credibility. Did the defendant make a fatal mistake by trying to soften the truth? Or was she simply struggling with addiction and denial?
So
It's
were you
wrong.
positive for more than your prescriptions?
Yes, it shows that I am positive for my prescriptions.
All right. Well, I mean, we're not talking about what it shows. That's what I mean about being honest.
And I have relapsed, but it's
Okay.
been a matter of time. That's what I meant by not perfection. I felt strongly that been enough time where it wouldn't. I mean, that's.
And I will tell you this, I understand about relapsing, but if you're not honest with yourself, you're not going to help yourself. You understand? Okay, yes. Probation, what are you asking for in terms of conditions on Miss Kilpatrick?
Thank you. Based on the exercises that I received, I would ask for a referral for felony drug court in addition to a top evaluation. And it's not accepted in drug court to follow all kinds of compensation.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, a referral to felony drug court. There'll be a TAP evaluation out of custody, but they're going to continue to test you. If you continue to test positive, that TAP may turn into being in custody, all right? And that's for your safety, because you never know if the last time you use is the last time you use. All right, follow recommendations from TAP. If not accepted into felony drug court, if you're honest with them, they should accept
This is
you.
a fascinating outcome. Despite the failed drug test and the difficult exchange, the judge chooses structure over punishment. Instead of sending the defendant straight to prison, she's creating a framework focused on recovery, accountability, and monitoring. It's a reminder that many drug courts aren't just designed to punish addiction. They're designed to break the cycle. The real question now isn't what happened in court today. It's what happens next when nobody is
With them,
watching.
they should accept you. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Do you live by yourself or live with someone?
I live with family.
All right. And who are the people that you live with?
My mother and my children.
And how old are your children?
They're 11 and 13.
All right. Is Child Protective Services involved at all? All right. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to deduct 100 hours upon completion of parenting classes. The remaining, for every sober support meeting you complete, 1 hour will be deducted. This will run concurrent with DC 25-9847 out of Gillespie County. There's a $2,000 fine, and that will be probated. Are you employed?
I am.
What do you do?
I'm a full-time server at Little Italy.
I'm sorry, where?
Full-time server at Little Italy.
Okay. That's a place that I need to try.
Absolutely. Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Do they have like a nice pasta clam dish?
Well, we do have a linguine and clams, and we have a few steamed clams. Mainly, you're going to be full. You're going to really
Okay,
be there.
I love the linguine and clams. All right, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else?
Judge, I apologize. I didn't get that or it's the call number.
Oh, it's 25-9847, and it's out of Gillespie County.
Thank you.
I could-
Oh, and DC is in the front of the numbers.
Judge, does she live in the?
No, Judge,
Yeah, here.
she lives here in Bear County. This probation was actually transferred to Bear County from
Okay.
Gillespie County.
Nothing else, Judge.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
See me at the restaurant.
Okay. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over that, you'll need to speak to an attorney, okay? All right, so here's the thing that I'm going to tell you. Addictions are hard. I know it's hard, but you're going to have to push through it. Make sure you get a sponsor. And if you're ever out with a group of people and you tell them, hey, I'm in my sobriety, and they still say, well, just have one drink, those are not your friends, okay? So just concentrate on your sobriety, all right?
First. I know.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Judge.
very much.
All right, and then if we can get McKinley sworn Garza, in.
You know
For
what?
Ms. Garza,
Seven.
you know, here's the thing. Have you been writing in letters? Because the coaches that have been put in place, and the coach they put in place now,
No, but I will say I go once a year, and we kind of go out and I sit 50-yard line like 30 rows up.
yeah.
And if you've never seen a game that close, they're not the same species as us. Like I work out a lot and stuff, and I'm like, I can't believe how fast they move, how fast you see it from the air, and it's like, oh, I know what's happening. And the pace they play and like the reads, it's an unbelievable sight. Even if you're losing, you're just like enthralled. So it's pretty cool.
So other than this school, do you have any other connections to Louisiana?
I was born in Ruston, North Louisiana,
Ruston Peaches.
Ruston Peaches. All my family was Louisiana Tech except me, and then there. And then all my extended family still lives in Louisiana.
Oh,
So,
wow.
mhm.
I will tell you the last time I had Ruston Peaches was probably 4 years ago or something.
Yeah.
They're just so juicy, so good.
It's
And you're
different
just
level.
like,
People don't know, but that parish, Lincoln Parish, is highest per capita millionaires, and you never know because they all drive like 1998 Ford F-150s
Yes.
and just sitting on old oil money and have farms that don't produce anything except a few peaches. It's
oh,
hilarious.
yeah, yeah.
It's beautiful. But yeah.
All right. So on this case, today is plea deadline date.
It is, Judge, and defense today informed me of some new information that will result in this case being dismissed.
Okay.
They are set May 22nd, I believe. So if we
Yes,
could
ma'am.
just have that extension to allow them to take care of what will resolve this case, that would be great.
All right. So what we'll do then, y'all want to recall this back for May 25th then?
That'd be perfect.
Yeah.
If that's okay.
Sorry, not May 25th, May 26th.
whatever date the court allows, and then we also have a discovery acknowledgement as well.
All right, Norma, is May 26th okay?
Yes.
So what we'll do is we will call you for May 26th. And then you may not need to come up here.
Can I give you the acknowledgement?
Yes.
Thank you. And obviously, what'll happen is on May 22nd, I will take care of what they're respecting. Email her, and if they give the dismissal, we'll also inform the court. And
All right. All right. Good seeing you. It's always nice to see somebody who has Louisiana connection.
yeah,
All right. Well, we're going to see how our football season goes.
you know what though? I'm one of those weird ones. I like watching it. Like I just enjoy the spectacle of it. You know, I
Well,
want to win, but yeah.
I will tell you, I love college sports,
Mhm.
and I love every type of sport. Well, I'm going to get in trouble. Here's the thing. I like cricket. I think cricket lasts too long, though.
Yeah.
I like curling,
Curling's fun.
maybe because I think that I should be able to do that. But every sport I like. But here's the thing. I like indoor soccer. I'm not a big fan of outdoor soccer.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know if I think it just, oh my gosh, it's not as fast paced.
What's different? Is it a different size arena?
Yes.
Okay.
And I think it's because it's not really as fast paced. Now, mind you, I think soccer players, or football as they call them,
Mhm.
they are some of the best athletes, because when you think about it, there's no
I
rest.
think it's like 15 miles a game or something insane. Like it's unbelievable.
I mean,
And half
they're
of it's sprinting.
Yes, they're in great shape.
Here's the sport to check out. 2 of my older kids play water polo.
Okay,
I've never seen.
let me just tell you, I love water polo.
There you go.
I
Yeah.
think it's great. And do you know, people don't real, oh, I'm sorry, you may have a seat. We're discussing other shit. Stay and enjoy the conversation.
Yeah.